Hi and welcome to Sunfall Rebels Space Combat Guide. This one's for the new Cov Ice Field if you're Republic, or if you're Imp, it's the Kanz Minefield. Difficult one, probably not going to end up dying, but you probably are going to miss some of the objectives because there's that many. 4 defense clusters, each with 7 targets, 1 mine layer with 4 targets, and a satellite hardpoint, which in itself is another 7 targets. So, first up, one of the defense clusters. You can take this out in one pass if you're careful with the missiles, but bear in mind, some of these targets are further back than others. Straight up after this is the mine layer. Now you can concentrate fire on the mine layer and take it out, or you can try and get some of these fighters as well and save the mine layer for a bit later. If you're chasing the bonus though, I'd say go for fighters. Bear in mind you need to save a couple of missiles back, because immediately after this, if you're going for it in one go, you get another satellite hardpoint set. Chances are you probably won't take that one out in the first pass. Concentrate fire in the centre of the screen on most of these. At least you can build up your total number. 80, big call. You might not make it first time through. Build up your shields again, switch over from your WEPs. A few more fighters to add to the total, and then if you are going for the frigate bonus, you need to strip off a few of these now with missiles as best as you can. Again, same problem, we've got another one of the defense clusters up ahead, so if you're not going for bonus, save your missiles for this. Don't worry. If you don't get all of them that pass, you will get another shot later. Okay, watch out for the frigate, it's going to come round again. Throw some fire your way. Another chance with the missiles there. Now, it's at this point, if you're going for the frigate, put some fire on it. Chances are you can take it out of the sky at this point. There's an awful lot of fighters coming down the road here as well, so if you're not going for frigate, you're going for fighters, split fire accordingly. Okay, first pass the satellite hardpoint itself, and there's 7 targets here, 6 of them unmarked shields. Take out those first and then throw as much fire as you can. You finish off the second defense cluster there. That's the second one we passed after the mine layer. Again, it's a good pause at this point to buff those shields back up by switching over, and then you get a nice shot at the hard point and any of the remaining shields that it may have had. My advice is to pile it on now. Throw as many missiles as you can at this, because it's best to get it out of the way as early as possible. No pilot stands a chance. When dealing with these, it's always best to throw up the warfare pod and give yourself that 15-second worth of shielding. If you get it early, you can throw missiles again at the hardpoint as you pass, but if you're unsuccessful, don't worry. There's more chances against that coming up a little bit down the line. So, 1 frigate, 1 defense cluster, and a bunch of fighters left to go. What I tend to do with this one is hit an EMP and strip the hardpoints off that frigate. Also, it weakens the defense cluster as well. That means you can save missiles for later, because chances are you're going to need them for the hardpoint. In fact, we're looking pretty low in the missiles at this point too. So there we go, frigate down. there's a few remaining. Okay, hardpoint is in the distance still. The trick for this is don't let all your missiles go too soon. What's going to happen, there's going to be a number of enemy ships passing in front of it, which are likely going to act as decoys for those missiles. So wait until you get closer, especially if you only got a few left. That means you're guaranteed to get those things on target. There we go. Tidy up the remaining if you need them. You do get a few more. And that's it, job done.